Bold design, spacious comfort, and smart technology, this is the Tiggo 8 2026, a modern midsize SUV built for families who want style, space, and value all in one complete package. Today, we're taking a full tour of the brand new Tiggo 8, from its striking exterior to its refined interior and confident road performance. Let's get into it. The Tiggo 8 2026 makes a strong first impression with its bold and upscale exterior. At the front, you'll see this large diamond pattern grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights and sharp daytime running lights. It really creates a confident presence on the road. From the side, the sculpted body lines, chrome window trim, and stylish 18 to 19-inch alloy wheels give the SUV a genuinely premium look. Roof rails add a touch of practicality, while the raised stance enhances its rugged SUV character. At the rear, you've got these connected LED taillights, a clean tailgate design, and a sporty bumper that completes the modern appearance. Overall, the Tiggo 8 looks mature, elegant, and perfectly suited for both city life and long highway journeys. Under the hood, the Tiggo 8 2026 offers efficient and responsive powertrain options, typically featuring a turbocharged petrol engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The power delivery is really well balanced. It's strong enough for confident highway overtakes while still being fuel efficient for your daily commute. That turbo engine provides good low-end torque, which makes city driving feel effortless and smooth. The transmission shifts cleanly, focusing on comfort rather than aggressive performance, which perfectly suits the Tiggo 8's family-oriented nature. So, how does it feel to drive? On the road, the Tiggo 8 is stable, relaxed, and surprisingly easy to handle. The steering is light and responsive, making parking in tight city turns simple, even with its size. At higher speeds, the SUV remains composed, with good straight-line stability and predictable handling. The suspension is tuned to absorb road imperfections, offering a smooth ride even on uneven surfaces. Plus, multiple driving modes help you tailor the experience, balancing efficiency and performance depending on the road conditions. Comfort is one of the Tiggo 8's strongest points. That suspension setup handles bumps and rough roads really well, keeping passengers relaxed even on long trips. For 2026, the cabin insulation has been improved, significantly reducing engine and road noise. The result is a calm, quiet interior that feels premium for its class. Dual-zone climate control and rear air vents make sure everyone stays comfortable, no matter which row they're in. Now let's step inside. The Tiggo 8 2026 greets you with a modern, spacious cabin designed with families in mind. The dashboard features soft-touch materials, metallic accents, and a clean, horizontal layout. Of course, the Tiggo 8 offers a 7-seat configuration, making it ideal for large families. The seats are wide and comfortable, there's generous second-row legroom, and the third row folds flat for flexible cargo space. You'll also find multiple storage compartments and cup holders throughout. The elevated seating position provides excellent visibility, boosting your confidence behind the wheel. Finally, let's talk tech. The Tiggo 8 2026 is packed with modern features. There's a large touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a fully digital instrument cluster, a wireless charging pad, and a premium audio system. Safety is also a major focus, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. These systems work together to provide real peace of mind for you and your family. The Tiggo 8 2026 delivers a strong combination of bold styling, a spacious interior, smooth performance, and advanced technology, all at a competitive value. It's comfortable, practical, and well-equipped, making it an excellent choice for families looking for a modern 7-seat SUV. If space, comfort, and smart features matter most to you, the Tiggo 8 2026 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more car reviews. See you in the next one.